Hey guys, in a few days I'm going to be going out to do a solo camping trip in a forest pretty close to where I live. I just bought a whole lot of new gear off Amazon and I want to show you what I have in my pack. So first up, I have the 511 Rush 72. Seems to be a pretty good bag. I haven't tested it, like pretty much any of my gear yet, so I'm not going to be doing like any reviews on it. That's probably going to be in like a later video, but seems to be a pretty heavy duty bag. Has basically everything I need in it for camping. Has a place for my water bladder, which I might have two, which is nice because I have two ports for it, and it just has a ton of space in it. It's a heavy bag though. It's like 5 pounds, so that part of it isn't amazing, but I did want something that would really be able to withstand, more arid environments, because there are lots of plants here that have like thorns and could easily just rip up a bag with less quality. So, gonna start opening this up, showing you guys what I have in it. Back here there's a little area where you could just drop wet clothes or just things that you don't want to have to open up the whole bag for. Got a hat in there. In this back pouch, the admin pocket, I have my medical gear. So over here, got bandages, various like medication and things if I ever need that. Backup lighter. Got map of the area. Two tourniquets. Hopefully I'll never need them. Just lay that over here. Backup flashlight with a kind of like a string, so I could like hang it from like a branch or something if I need to. Have more dressings here. And small pocket knife, which also doubles as part of my med kit because of the tweezers. And scissors, I believe, as well. Alright, so up here, since I'm going to be doing lots of recording and I need battery, got battery pack, cable for it, and I believe this cable also charges my headlamp. Over here, got a tiny solar charger, which is nice to have. I'm currently using my tripod, but when it's like outside my bag, I'll stick it on my tripod so I could charge this up. Also has a little light on it, which is kind of nice. Okay, so that's what I have in the admin pocket. Up here, got my ferro rod, which chances are I'm probably just going to have on me. Got some cloth that I'm going to make char cloth out of during my trip, and like a little extendable kind of like bellows that I made. It's pretty good. Haven't tried it yet. Got my char tin with my light, my fire, rods. Ooh. This is a bit dirty. And here I've got some pre-made char cloth. I really like this stuff. And that's why I'm making more of it. It's just so easy to light fires with it. Up here in the front, I have my water bladder in this pocket. Hope you guys can see. Move my bag a bit. But in this pocket over here, I have my water bladder, where I might also add another one later on. Because I don't think there's going to be a place for me to refill water, which kind of sucks. Up here, I got sunglasses. And then, in my main compartment, just put these up. Got one of these little pillow things. I didn't bring a sleeping pad. I didn't bring a sleeping bag. Sleeping pad I just don't own, and I felt the sleeping bag would be too heavy. It doesn't get very cold here at night, and I'm gonna have a fire, so I just figured I'd have this for comfort, and that should be good enough. My plan is to build a bench, so we'll see how that goes. Got these bags here. Tend to put food in them. Got my rechargeable headlamp. Very useful, especially with the solar charger. And here, Jetboil 10-inch frying pan. Haven't tried it yet, but looks pretty solid. I tend to really like frying food, so that's why I got this rather than just like a canteen. Also, I didn't get a canteen because we don't have a lot of running water here, so like there's really nothing for me to boil up. I'm probably gonna try getting one at one point, like at some point in the future, but at the moment it's not like a huge deal. In here, got my makeshift grill, which you guys have probably seen in my last video. Or at least my cooking video. Just gonna get it out of here. Got my 4 tent pegs. Just stick these in the ground, stick this on top of it. It's really good to have. Last time I was out, I made some stir fry, which you saw in the video. But I did it again, and I also went out and made some like pitas and just stuck it on the grill, so it was very tasty. And that's probably what I'm going to be doing again this trip, along with some other stuff. So we got that. And up here, have a stainless steel Mora Companion. I'm going to be grinding the spine just so that it could work with a ferro rod. Haven't used it yet, don't know how it is, but everyone says it's amazing. And the Laplander folding saw, which I'm gonna need to make my bench to sleep on when I'm out. So, I believe, if I haven't missed anything, that's everything that I have in this pack. All of it comes down to like 4.5 kilo, which is 9.9 pounds. Pretty light. Obviously, once I have consumables like water and food, it's going to be a bit more. I think it might be maybe 15 pounds once I get all that in there. But it's not bad, and I'm pretty happy with this loadout. Especially when, you know, this is the basic stuff that I'm going to be carrying. Doesn't matter if it's going to be 1 day trip, 2 days, 3 days. This stuff's all going to stay the same. Really, the only thing that changes is food and water. So, yeah. I hope to have my camping video out sometime next week. I'm going to be going out Sunday to actually do the camping. And hopefully after that I'll be able to edit it and upload it pretty quickly. So, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.